안녕하세요, 여러분. JungAh here. For today's quick tip, I'll be talking about the difference between the Korean words kkeunnada and kkeunnaeda. Both words mean to finish, but they are used in different ways. kkeunnaeda is used when something comes to an end. This is used to indicate something is finished. For example, 수업이 끝났어요, meaning the class ended. And 여름 방학이 끝났어요, meaning summer vacation ended. On the other hand, kkeunnaeda is used when someone finishes something off. You would use this for when you're done with something. In other words, your actions or someone other person's actions cause it to be finished. For example, 선생님이 수업을 끝냈어요, meaning the teacher finished the class. And 나는 숙제를 끝냈어요, meaning I have finished the homework. If you want to learn Korean, we have a structured online course that will teach you how to have a 3-minute conversation in the first 90 days. Get a free lesson and find out more at 90daykorean.com. See you there! 안녕!